All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and today we're going to be looking at a beautiful PITAKA case in the beautiful color of Moonrise. And I brought you this on the Z Flip 6 as well, but today, once again, it is time for the Z Fold 6 to get this treatment. I love the color of both of my devices. I got them in this new black color here, but when I step outside, I definitely want to have some protection, and the folks over at PITAKA definitely have me covered. Ultra thin cases are the way to go for people who don't want to wear a case. This is my lifeline right here. I love not having to wear a case on my devices, and I actually really love ultra thin cases. I'm glad this is an option. So this is the Moonrise color. You've seen cases from PITAKA before, but this is the Moonrise color. This color is very limited, man. From where I could tell, it sells very well, so it's hardly ever in stock. But shout out to PITAKA for sending one over to me, and I really appreciate it. Now you can go ahead and pause this and look at all the information on here about the PITAKA case, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, and oh, there it is. So it comes in this nice wrapping here. This is more like just some recycled paper, which is good. And you have all your instructions here and how to put the cases on and things like that, and QR codes you can scan if you decide to do so. And there's nothing else here. And then we'll pop out this portion here. Now, the good thing about PITAKA ultra thin cases is this: they have the MagSafe technology on their cases. And so my car has this technology in it, and I love to be able to pop it up on the stand and wireless charge there, or just have it there out of the way so I don't have to worry about where it's at. Love this. So this is the case here. Make sure when you're using this case, you buy any case, that all ports and everything line up perfectly, and you have freedom and access to all that's offered on the phone. So we're gonna slide in like this. I'm gonna push it forward like that, and then boom, it is on. This is just one of the most beautiful colors, folks. This is just, it's just a win. PITAKA got this right with this color, Moonrise. Now I hear a lot of people saying, I need a front portion to the case. I need a front portion to the case. Well, again, when you have cases like this, I mean, I get it. You want to cover the front edges of it. But for me, I think this is enough because I really don't want to wear a case. But everybody has their own opinion on it. I respect it. Some people feel like there should be a front portion, but it's going to be very flimsy, actually. So maybe that's why they don't do it. They used to do it back in the day, but I think they realized that it's too flimsy around a phone like this. That's probably what it is. I don't know for sure. You'll need to reach out to PITAKA if you feel like, you know, you want to champion for a front part of the case on there. But for someone like me, gripping the phone like this is actually really nice just to have it all on the backside. So you've got the volume rocker and power button open there. As you can see, I've accessed it multiple times. It works flawlessly. The volume rocker is good. And then you come around to the top here, make sure all microphones are cut out when you're buying any case. And you go to the bottom, all ports should line up. And when you look at the back of the camera module here, now my cameras look like they're poking out a little bit, but I actually have camera lens protectors on here. So if you didn't have camera lens protectors, your cameras would recess inside of there. And if you decided to sit it down like this, it would be perfectly fine. So just bear that in mind. The cameras are protected. Even if you don't have camera lens protectors, the case will protect your device from minor scratches and dings. So I'm not gonna attempt to do that. Here it is, man, the PITAKA case for the Z Fold 6. What a beautiful color, Moonrise. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.